Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and we are here back with another video. Without any further ado, let's jump into the market because the market is about to start. Okay, alright, let's go. We'll start over here. So right now we can see the market is trading at 46,100. Not the market, Bank Nifty July future is trading at this around, and I am trying to place an order for 46,090 change. Uh, Maybe we can shift to 80 because it looks a good price to be trading at. Okay, cool. Or maybe 70. This not 80 looks fine, and then let us click on 80 right now. Again, it went up until 110. See, there are no stop losses at the top. There are high chances that the market might fall back from this price. So there are chances definitely, but we will keep on watching. We'll keep a small eye. Let us go to the market depth and see how it is over there. But before that, I'm just checking if my order can be executed. Right now we are like around 1997. You can see my order book. It is placed at 46,080 changed, nearly 4 lots, costing me more than 3.8 ish. This video looks like it's going to be a little too long, but we'll try to cut it short. Let me go to the order book. It is not yet been executed. Right now it is just 9:16. Market has just opened up. It came down. You see that my buying price is placed at 80. It came to 82 point change. You can clearly see it came again to that price. Okay, finally our order has been executed, thank God. But at what cost? Minus 600. Completely okay. My stop loss is nearly 160 points, which is nearly or maybe close to, you can see, 8 to 10, 11, 12,000 depending upon that price. That will be my stop loss, and we'll wait until then what is going to happen. The reason for me to buy this stock, future. So the reason for me to purchase this future or go long on this future was due to the RSI trading at the higher price. Though I know US market has traded on the green and it has closed in green, while the Asian market is trading in red right now, and we can see our position is being looking like green. I have a strong feeling, looking at even the order book, that we should change our sides to the selling one. Okay, we should exit from the long side and go to the short side, but there are chances that I might turn out wrong to be so I will not discuss and I will not rethink on that point. I will just stay here what it is going to happen, and we'll stick on to it. We'll aim nearly 10 to 15,000, but let's see how it is going to be turning out. Even I am not sure, but let us see. $46,076, 70, 84, 46,083, 82, 80, 80, 79, 77, 78, 77, 75, 75. That has to be a little longer. I'm just gonna chill around, wait. Either it is going to take my stop loss or it is going to take my profit. I mean, it's going to give me my target. So I just have to wait and chill until then. Let's have some quick discussion. I'm also thinking to make a small videos such as shorts talking about my day-to-day profits, losses, and about stock. I've been working on it. We'll definitely come soon with that. Okay, maybe another 15 days or maybe 20, or let's say let's give it a month of ratio. Okay, 2,400, 2,600. We are at 46,035 trading right now. We can see in the screen clearly how it is going on. I thought I was damn right, but I took a wrong call. I went on a long position while the market looks clearly that it is going downwards, and look what has happened. Okay, so I think I should change my side, I should exit my position. That is what I'm going to think. But if this candle closes, or maybe the next two candles closes into green, I might think into taking okay, cool. See, came green, we are like minus 2000, 3000, 3200. Does not matter much. Shit. Oh my goodness. This is a roller coaster. Cool. You know, guys, I'm literally showing you my real emotion while trading. Okay, I'm not faking around anything. This is absolutely me, what I am feeling. But it is what it is, guys. You have to deal with it. It's really stressful. Yeah, it is really stressful. The green candle we just saw on. I'm sorry. So the green candle we just saw turns out to be the bad one. It turns out to be the green. It turns out to be the red one. And see, the next candle has becoming green, but it's at the bottom. Now it's red again. We have shit. So guys, we are at our SL cost. Okay, so right now we are trading at 45,938, 36, 37, 39, 46, 38, 44 at that price. Okay, so I will exit this at 50, I think. Okay, let's round it up to 8,000 and below. Okay, I told my stop loss would be 160, but it is, we are exiting a little close to 140, 150, 130, sorry, but it's okay, completely okay. I'm exiting a little early because I bet you damn what, 100% this market is going to fall. Maybe 200, maybe 300 points. Okay, I can expect to that much. So we will definitely recover our losses. I will also show you the complete time lapse maybe later while, but not now. Let us trade for the next at least 3, 4, 2 minutes. Okay, so it, see, I have placed it 40, 50. It came at 49 precise 85, 49 precise 90. Seriously? It came at 90, but it did not execute. 95 it came. 49.95, bloody damn, it came until there. But it did not take my order. I swear, this is really stressful. Okay, looks like cool. One has, okay, cool. So all exited. So 3 lots have been executed, only 1 lot is left. I just hope that happens. 48. It just came like I have placed an exit order at 50. It came to 49.50. Okay, cool. We are out of the game. Okay. Now let us change our direction. 1 second. Change our direction. I'll type 60. Let us go to 45,955 meters. Let's make it 60. Or maybe 65. Okay, it's 57. Okay, I'll place it 50, 60. I'll place it 55. Okay, let's wait. Or maybe, what if I miss out? I don't want to miss out. Okay, cool. 55. Let's keep it 60. 58. 59. Seriously, we literally came up until 15. Holy crap. The feeling sucks here, over here. Honestly speaking, 40 kismat and मेरी ऐसा बोलना. I have placed an entry order at 60, but it went up until 59 and it did not take. And now it's 43. Trust me, this is bad. It hurts a lot. Okay, cool. I don't want to risk anything. I'm just placing an exit order. Entry order at 55. Right now it is trading at 44. Oh, cool. 44, 40. My goodness. I think I should exit. No, enter. I think I should enter at 50. Okay. 44. आजा भाई आजा. 51, 41, 43, 46. Come on. Perfect. बस ये हो जाए ना जल्दी जल्दी. I'm like happy. बस ये हो जाए जल्दी जल्दी. 46, 47, 48, okay, 50 done. I think 55 we can wait for 55. Let's take one more last chance. If not, I'm gonna go at market price. 52. I'm not literally a typical trader who trades at a limit price but not at the market price, because I believe that I am the smartest. Because market price is, I'll tell you a story once upon a time what exactly happened. Okay, 55 we have entered here. Okay, so we have finally entered into the position of a short sell. We have closed our buying, which was long position, with the loss of 7,800. So our target was 12,000 to 16,000 for the day. So what we will aim today is we will recover the 7,800 loss, plus we'll at least try to get 5,000 on top of that. So which will be nearly 8 plus 5 will be 13. So we'll try to get at least 12,000 rupees from this trade. So our target would be anywhere between 45,000 and 700. That ish level. Okay, the market looks very weak. Literally, it looks very weak. I think me talking for the next 1 hour won't be useful. Why don't you enjoy at 90? Oh, sorry. Why don't you enjoy on 90 seconds? No, 90 minutes time lapse. So I think I will start it from over here. But before starting that, let me also tell you a story while I am into that time lapse of 1 hour. Okay, so anyways, the screen is over here itself. You guys can watch how the market is going, how it is happening. Okay, so what exactly happened? There was a guy, I do not know his name. He had bought options at pennies. Those pennies were like he had poured in nearly 10 or maybe 12. Maybe he was just like, I think this was around 17 or 18 time. Those time people used to get hell lot of leverage. And this person, I do not know or remember his name. This person poured out hell lot of money into options because they turn out to be the zero by the end of expiry. So he had bought nearly less than a rupee. Okay, less than a rupee he had bought, and he tried to exit that, but it did not get executed, and boom, he had to close the order on market price. And that, and when you buy truckload of options, you cannot sell them quickly. Okay, so that is again a problem. 1 second. Cool, I will continue that story later. Before that, let us get back to the screen. Okay, okay, cool, we have recovered our loss. Let me refresh my screen. Okay, cool, we can, I think, let me just refresh. Okay, cool, we have refreshed our screen. Sorry, I'll continue that story in the end. So we are at booking our profit. Okay, so we are near to booking our profit, which is 4500 rupees right now. It was 5500, which means that we have reached our target. Our target was 45. Our target is, sorry, our target is 45,700. Okay, right now it is 715. We'll wait for a while and then see how this works until the end. Okay, 45, 700, 45, 40. It went up until 720, but I just feel like I don't want to risk more than this. I might think of exiting over here itself if it crosses above 60. Okay, so what happened with that guy itself was the thing, he could not exit those options and he had to exit at the market order. And when exiting at market order, every order you place, he had more than 10,000 quantities. Every orders were placed at different prices, so he had no rights. So that is the problem. So when hitting a limit order and market order, okay, what happened during that time? He exited the entire 10,000 plus quantities, and everything went into market price. That penny, like it was, let's say 50 paisa, let's say it was 95 paisa. 95 paisa went up until 7 rupees, guys. That's huge. If you're buying, let's say 1 lakh quantities at 95 paisa would be 95,000, and if it goes to 7 rupees, that's nearly 7 lakhs. Okay, you are losing more than 700%. So that guy had nearly 10 lakhs plus invested, and he had to pay from his pocket nearly 50 to 70 lakhs. That is what I have heard. This is a fictional or true story, I do not know, but this case has definitely happened with somebody. Either it is 7 lakh that he had to pay from his pocket, either if not it is 17 lakh or it is 70 lakhs. Either of them is definitely an answer. Okay, looking at the market, I think that I must exit my position, because I told you if it crosses above 60, I am bonded to cut my position, because it will hit the little bottom sweet spot and hit the bottom and then go on. So I don't want to risk more. Let us get this position closed. See, it's now 70, 74. I would really feel bad if I exit at 74 and then the market goes back to 20, but cannot help. This is what it is. You trade, you don't exactly get your targets every day, but I'm glad and happy that I actually have literally recovered my loss from the day. Okay, cool. I wanted at least 50. Cool, let us exit at 50. Will not stress it out much. $56, $57. Okay, 57. Price is nearby. Cool, let's get ready. Order book is placed at 700. That was placed at 1240, by the way. Okay, I have cancelled it. And now let us exit this order. It is trading at 59.60 right now. Let us place at 50 or 55. Okay, 52 it is. Let's place it at 50, and boom, finally we worked 4,500 from a loss of 17,800, recovering that loss to making a 4,500 for the day. More than anything you can ever ask for. Look at the trade. First trade, second trade, third trade, fourth trade, fifth trade, fourth is the cancelled order, but it's completely okay right now. It is nearly 1:31 p.m. and we have closed. You can see 120 into buying places in the buying order, 120 quantity in selling order, and you can definitely see that. And the sell value is 55,14,000, while the buy value is at 55,09,800 rupees. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here and watching my video. I'll see you all, everyone, in the next video. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell you before ending this video. That was the reason why actually I got to know that story recently, maybe 2-3 months ago. But the guy, oh shit, look, we just exited at 750 and then the market has gone at 650. That means we could have made nearly 6,000 more, but it is okay, yaar. Let's not be greedy. Whatever we had to get, we have got, and market has fallen more than 300 points. It's completely fine. Enough for the day. Bye. Yeah, I would also like to tell you all that the guy who was there, I have recently come across that story. But me placing this kind of orders, such as limit orders, from the day one I've started, when I researched about stock market in and outs, I have always been keen to only entering into limit order, never a market order. Okay, only when that there is a spike movements happening or fast movement is happening, that is the only time I enter into market order. If not, I would never recommend anyone to enter a market order nor a limit order. But if you are placing bulk orders such as 10,000, 20,000 quantities, that is completely fine entering into uh, market order. But there is some strategies. You can't enter for just pennies and below 300 rupees kind of strike prices with those quantities of market price. Always enter strike prices with such quantities which are more than 600 or 500 rupees deep in the money. I shall explain that concept in some other video. If not, this video would turn out to be really big. So thank you so much for watching up until here. See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Good night.